First of all, what is a special needs trust? Simply put, special needs trusts are trusts for persons with special needs. The great thing about special needs trusts is that they can hold family assets in a way that benefits a special needs child, while at the same time preserving the money that's in that trust for others as well. But parents must be proactive in order to make a special needs trust work. What I'm trying to say here is that parents of a child with a disability must actually sit down and create the trust itself so family assets can be preserved in the first place. That's because if they don't do this, parents might as well be giving away their money and assets to the government instead of to their child. And that brings us to the main purpose of a special needs trust. In other words, these trusts are established to preserve government benefits for a person with disabilities while conserving family assets to care for that disabled person. You see, in order to receive government benefits, disabled persons must show that they have hardly any assets. In general, anything over $2,000 will be a problem when your child is trying to qualify for Supplemental Security Income and Medi-Cal. Supplemental Security Income, or SSI, is a federal needs-based program that is based on income. After a special needs person qualifies for SSI, they automatically qualify for Medi-Cal, which is the California version of Medicaid. Although the money SSI provides won't usually pay for all your child's necessary expenses, it definitely helps. Medi-Cal, on the other hand, is more generous because it can provide hundreds of thousands of dollars for the medical expenses of your special needs child. The best way to preserve your assets for your child while qualifying him or her for SSI and Medi-Cal is through the use of an irrevocable trust. An irrevocable special needs trust can literally hold millions of dollars for the benefit of a special needs person. So long as it's correctly set up, the assets in that trust will not be counted towards the child's available resources for purposes of SSI and Medi-Cal. Since assets are not within his or her control, he or she doesn't technically own them, and such assets therefore can't be attached to pay creditors. If, however, a person with disabilities somehow gains ownership of the assets, like if parents did no planning and assets were given outright to the child, there will be accompanying payback provisions to benefits received by the special needs person. That means after the death of the special needs person, all monies in their estate must first go towards paying back the Medi-Cal benefits received. By contrast, when setting up a special needs trust that avoids direct ownership of assets by the special needs person, assets may be first used for the benefit of the special needs child, and after he or she passes away, the assets can be given to other beneficiaries without the need to pay back benefits received from the state. One final point. A special needs trust can be set up right now or at the time of death of the last of the special needs person's parents. While there are various reasons for setting up the special needs trust either right now or at the time of death, perhaps the most important reason people set them up right now is so that grandparents and other relatives who might potentially leave a gift to the special needs child can do so to the trust rather than to the child outright. Again, if a child gets any money from anywhere, they will be disqualified for government help. And if a grandparent dies before their child, leaving a gift to the special needs grandchild, and there is no special needs trust already in existence to receive it, that could amount to an unnecessary gift to the government. It is therefore incredibly important that you coordinate the gifts of the whole family before funds are lost. And that is the main reason for a standalone special needs trust being set up right now. To learn more about special needs trusts and to discuss your family's particular situation further, please schedule a free appointment here at the Trust Store.